If you receive an error message trying to log in with your odu.edu account, clicking continue with Google, then that is perfectly fine. You can just go ahead and use another one of these options. The easiest one would be to sign up with email and then use your own personal email account. Or you can do continue with Google and just use your own personal Gmail account, and that should allow you to go ahead and get in. So if I were to click on sign up with email, then it will take me to this sign up screen. So I can just put my email address. I can put my first name, and it'll say that your email is fine. Of course, I'm just using an example here. All right, password, and then we would just come up with a password, right? So it's just something random. Make sure you complete every single one of these requirements. And then you're just gonna go ahead and put in your birthday. And then once you put in your birthday, you can click create an account. And then that should allow you to move on to the next steps of this tutorial.